what happens? Is it asking us what is your name? Is it asking you? Now let's type our name over there. It allows us to type our name. Is that correct? Yeah. Is that correct? Very good. So over here, what is the name over here? The inputs. Okay, so the inputs command allows you to what? To type in something or type in your inputs. So you ask the question, what is your name? So now we are going to create a Python command using this variable name. Is that okay? Now let's move to the next page. Let's press enter to the next line. Very good. You said what? Hello, Evelyn. How are you doing? Okay. You said hello, name. Therefore, the name there is Evelyn. So it won't, because name is just a container, it's just the variable. So what you type is what the name it is. Is that okay? So when you press enter, to give you for you, and your age is equal to what? 11. Is that okay? And for me, age is equal to 18. So wherever I see age, I know age is 18. Are we good? Print. Let's press enter and let's go and print it. Print, open brackets. Now you start all over from there.
And will you press enter?
No, just finish typing, I'll come. Input waits for the user to enter something and then it what? It takes it. So we have the variables over there and the rest. Are we good? Do we understand inputs? Do we understand input words? Is that okay? It allows the user to enter what? Input. Then it has a variable which contains what? The input. Are we okay? So the variable, so name is the variable. We think of variables such as boxes in computer memory. Each box has a label and we can store information in what? A variable.